If you are someone who finds difficulty while memorizing any phone number, password, or account number, etc., these are all small things, but at the same time, it is very important for each one of us. And today, I will discuss two easy techniques by which everyone can remember it in just a couple of minutes. So, hello, beautiful people. I'm Kushi. Welcome or welcome back to It's Your Cup of Tea. Today, as I said, I am going to share two incredible techniques to remember any number in seconds. Yes, you heard it right. In just a few minutes, you will be able to amaze your friends with your memory skills. So, let's get started. The key to remembering numbers quickly lies in using a technique called the memory palace or method of Lucy. This Asian technique is super effective and easy to learn. Here's how it works. First, you need to create a mental image of a place you know very well. Like it can be anything, it can be your house. Visualize this place vividly in your mind. Now, assign different rooms or areas of your house to specific digits or group of digits. For example, let's say you want to remember the number 174. Picture the number 1 in your living room, the number 7 in your kitchen, and the number 4 in your bedroom. To make it more memorable, create a story or association with each number in its designated place. Imagine a giant number 1 sitting on your couch, a number 7 cooking in your kitchen, and a number 4 reading a book in your bedroom. The more vivid the image, the better it sticks in your memory. Now let's take a longer number. For example, 56342. Break it down and place each digit in different locations in your house. Imagine the Imagine the number 5 in your garden, the number 6 in your garage, the number 3 in your hall, and the number 4 in your bedroom, and the number 2 in your bathroom. Create a unique and vivid story for each number in its place. Once you have created your mental map, you can walk through your memory palace to recall the number. With practice, this technique becomes faster and more intuitive. And yes, if you guys want to see how you can make a difficult decision with ease with the powerful trick of mind mapping, then you must check out my channel and I will keep the link of that video in the description box as well. Now, let's see the second technique, and this technique is my favorite as I don't have to even imagine. So, how does it works, right? Let's see, for example, we will take the big number which we took in the first technique, and that is 56342. We will memorize like breaking it into parts. That is, first we will make two parts. 56 is one part and 342 is the second one. Say first two digit 5 times and then say second digits for 5 times and then mix all together and you will be able to remember. And if you not able to remember with this trick, then you can even imagine your favorite place or you can make a story. By this trick, you can really will able to remember anything. And yes, if you want to know how you can remember long question and answer, then go and check out my channel. There I have already made a video on this topic. I will keep the link of that video in the description box. And if you want to ease your day-to-day life, then I have made several videos on my channel. You can check it out. And there you have it. A power and fun way to remember any number in seconds. Practice this technique and soon you will be impressed everyone with your amazing memory. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to It's Your Cup of Tea for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you next time and don't forget, now it's your cup of tea.